Good morning, friends. One of the areas where students from class 7 to 10 are asked to complete the blanks in grammar, that is of 4 marks, or sometimes it is of 6 marks, 1 marks each question. So completion of blank based on reported speech, that comes in exam, particularly boards, 10 class board, CBSE, or state Jharkhand board exam, or any state exam. If you are appearing in Uttar Pradesh state board exam, every board exam questions comes on reported speech, completion of blank. First of all, let us see one model question, and then we shall discuss some of the important tricks. The question is a conversation between captain and Nitesh. The very first sentence that the captain asked Nitesh, "Do you know how to play cricket?" This is being asked by the captain. The captain said to Nitesh, or just simply, "Captain, do you know how to play cricket?" Nitesh, "I never had a chance to learn it." Captain, "In this school, every student has to learn it." Nitesh, "Give me a chance and I shall learn it." So look at the blanks where you have to fill in. The captain asked Nitesh, and there is a blank, big blank, half line blank. The captain asked Nitesh, and the last word in that blank is cricket, that is given. So, what is the first statement spoken by the captain? Do you know how to play cricket? So, first of all, you must know, do you know how to play cricket is of what kind of sentence? It is an interrogative sentence in simple present, and that is yes no type question. So if I ask a question whose answer will be either yes or no, नितेश इसका आंसर yes भी कर सकता है, yes I know how to play cricket, और no में भी दे सकता है कि no I didn't have a chance to play. तो the answer will be yes or no. तो सबसे पहले तो ये जानिए कि whenever a statement or whenever a question is of yes no type, our first duty is to transform it into assertive form. So, do you know how to play cricket will be transformed into a statement. You know how to. Do will be removed. The auxiliary will be removed. You know how to play cricket. But who is you here? Nitesh. So for you, the pronoun second person will change into third person. So he know will change into knew, simple past tense. He knew how to play cricket, and the conjunction if or whether will be added, because whenever you ask a question whose answer is either yes or no, the conjunction will be if or whether. So I am adding if here. So the captain asked Nitesh if he knew, past tense simple, V1 will change into V2. No, knew, known. So V2 of no is new. If he knew how to play cricket. So always remember, in indirect form, always give the structure subject plus verb plus object. Never give auxiliary or any other word. Last word should be फुल स्टॉप, एंड दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. क्रिकेट के बाद फुल स्टॉप है ही. तो फिर एक बार देखिए, डू यू नो हाउ टू प्ले क्रिकेट, डू को रिमूव कीजिए तो स्टेटमेंट में बदल जाएगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यू नो हाउ टू प्ले क्रिकेट, बट हु इज यू? यू इज हियर नितेश. सो द कैप्टन आस्क्ड नितेश if he knew, past tense of know is knew, if he knew how to play cricket. The first answer is done. Now Nitesh replies. The second statement is Nitesh replied that, and the statement is given, I never had a chance to learn it. So I will change into third person, first person will change into third person. He never had a chance to play it. So simply the whole statement will be copied because it is already in past tense. We are not going to change it. Past perfect will not change. So simply he will say that Nitesh replied that he never had a chance to play it. He never had a chance to play it. Now the third statement, captain. In this school, every student has to learn it. Captain further said that in that school, this will change into that. In that school, every student had to play it. Has will change into had. In that school, every student had to play it. And the last sentence is Nitesh further said, give me a chance and I shall learn it. Nitesh requested the captain to give him a chance and he would play it. Shall will change into will and will further change into would. So Nitesh requested him to give him a chance and he would learn it. So that is how the completion of blank has been done. But the primary concept of doing this kind of completion of paragraph is based on direct and indirect. So today I'll just tell the elementary way how you can attempt interrogative questions, particularly of yes or no type. Whenever a question or a conversation begins with a statement or a question that is an answer either in yes or no, always use the pattern of transforming the question into a statement by subject plus verb plus object. For example, if I ask somebody, do you write, in Hindi? Then first of all change into assertive. Do को हटाइए. You write in assertive. So the teacher asks a student if he wrote. What is the past tense of write? Wrote. If he wrote in Hindi. Another sentence. The father said to the son, did you solve your question? The father asked the son if he had solved. Simple past, did you is simple past, that will change into past perfect. So the changes of tense and changes of person have to be executed. What are the rules for changes of tense? Simple present changes into simple past. That means subject plus V1 plus object, or subject plus V1 oblique V plus object plus complement will change into subject plus V2 plus subject plus complement. For example, if someone says that if the captain said to a player, you play very well. So that is simple present. The captain told his player that he played very well. You will change, second person will change into third person because the addressee is third person. So the captain addressed the player saying that he played well. And that is how change of tense will go. Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And past perfect will not change. Simple past will become past perfect and past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And past perfect and past perfect continuous will remain the same. They will not change. Then the elementary changes. This changes into that. These, those, here, there. Can, could, shall, should, may, might. Today, that day, tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Yesterday, the previous day. Last month, the previous month. Thus, so, now, then, etc. These are elementary changes. So that is how we can attempt, ordinary, completion of blank in class 7 to 10, and that will be based on reported speech. The second type of WH questions I will discuss in this second, video. Thank you. I'm sure that this kind of practice you will do yourself and you will get a command on this. Thanks a lot.